Hey, shine it on there. Shine it on the cabin.
That one's mine, the most pepper on it.
That's good. Turn over this way.
Okay, we'll show them the inside. Just hold it steady. Now pull it out a little bit there. Here, hold it just about like right there. Got the sleep-in loft. You can close that.
Open the next.
Open the other end.
Open this one.
Yeah. Okay, hold it like this. You holding it?
I opened the doors.
Hey. No, they can't close now because there's tools in the way. Hold the flashlight on it. Like this. Kitchen. Dining room. Stove.
Your duck safe round.
Whoa.
And we'll look at it.
Now hold it like this. Hold this right here.
Wait.
Your hand's in the way. Hold that back. Shine it in there. Shine it in there. You gotta show them your trap door. Pull your loft out. Hold it last like this.
Daddy, wanna go eat?
You wanna eat?
Might not almost done.
Wait for Daddy to be done, and then you can have it.
Turn the bed back on. Turn the bed back on. Turn the bed back on.
Put the bed back on. You gotta put it right up there.
Please.
You ready to eat?
Up there. This is my dinosaur.
Like a flying dinosaur?
For Dio. And do it like this.
No, not that one.
The one above it.
This one.
Put down.
Put it down. Poke, poke, poke. Okay.
Let's eat. Let's eat. These came out.